Today we're making Caipirinha, a perfect drink for the summer. Easy to make, super refreshing, super tasty. Caipirinha is a national Brazilian drink. We're gonna make ours with a little bit of a twist, a little deviation from traditional recipe. First thing you're gonna need is cachaça. Cachaça is a Brazilian sugarcane spirit. The two brands I would recommend to you is Pitu and Velho. Try to avoid La Blanc, even though it's the easiest one to get. It's more expensive than the other two and flavor profile is not as good. Next, what you're gonna need is nice lime, sugar, white refined sugar, and ice. We're gonna start off with peeling our lime, cut off both of the ends, work your way around the lime, peeling as much as you can of the skin and pith. Next, quarter your lime, drop it in your shaker. Add a teaspoon of sugar, muddle your lime with the sugar as much as you can. Add 4 cubes of ice, close your shaker, shake it for about 10 seconds. After which you want to remove the big chunks of membrane out of the glass, leaving as much pulp as you can. Add about 2 ounces of cachaça. Shake it for another 10 seconds, put your drink aside, get a serving glass, wet the rim of the glass with remains of your lime, flip the glass over, rub it inside of sugar to put some sugar on the rim of the glass for better presentation and more enjoyable drinking. Set your glass on a table, get your shaker, shake it up real quick, pour your drink into the glass, avoiding spilling of any drink on the rim of the glass, and you're ready to serve. Optionally, of course, you can make a big jug of this drink with ice on the side. This way you don't have to worry about making fresh drinks for everyone throughout the day. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, subscribe for more. If you don't, vai tomar no cu, as my Brazilian friends would say it. See you in the next one.